my name is Ashley Mills, and I'm doing my informative speech for communications. Doesn't everyone just want people to be honest, truthful, self-controlled, and have hospitality? I know I do. I have worked in accounts payable for a little over 2 years now and hope to have a job as an accountant within the next year, either here or at another company. I want to inform each of you how important truth, honesty, self-control, and hospitality is in accounting and how important the role is in everyone's job. I will now validate or prove this by presenting values of truth, honesty, self-control, and hospitality. First, we will start with truth and honesty. Dr. Alvin says accountants and auditors help to ensure that firms are run efficiently, public records kept accurately, and taxes paid properly and on time. In every aspect of accounting, you have to be truthful and honest. You have to be able to do the financial reports and put your name behind it and be willing to put your initials there and back your statements up. Proverbs 12:22 says, "Lying lips are abomination to the Lord, but they that deal truly are his delight." That is true in accounting and every job aspect. Sacker says, maybe ethics in the workplace start with plain old honesty. Every job that you have, accounting being one of the most crucial ones, it is important to be truthful and honest. You need to start honestly to have a very good occupation. The second thing we will go over is self-control. Dr. Alvin says internal auditors verify the effectiveness of their organization's internal controls and check or mismanagement, waste, and fraud. In today's times, there is a lot of fraud and a lot of people that do not have self-control and try to cover up financial statements or cover up different accounting principles in their jobs. 2 Peter 1:6 says, "And to knowledge temperance, and to temperance patience, and to patience godliness." You have to have patience in your current job and make sure that you're doing the best of your ability. Self-control is positively associated with superior academic performance, says Tangling. This is important in every job, but in accounting especially. You have auditors, you have tax preparers, you have business analysts, you have a bunch of different positions, and you have to make sure that you give your best academic performance. Dr. Alvin says, beyond carrying out the fundamental task of the occupation, providing information to clients by preparing, analyzing, and verifying financial documents, many accountants also offer budget analysis, financial and investment planning, information technology consulting, and limited legal services. Our third topic is hospitality. God also values hospitality in accounting, but he also values that in every job that you have. 1 Peter 4:9 says, "Using hospitality one to another without grudging." No matter what circumstance you're in, it's good to give other people hospitality because you want to do for them what you want them to do for you. Dr. Alvin says many accountants work on teams with different backgrounds, so they must be able to communicate accounting and financial information clearly and concisely. No matter what background you're working with, you need to make sure that you give them the same hospitality you want for yourself. Matthew 25:35 says, "For I was an hungered, and ye gave me meat. I was thirsty, and ye gave me drink. I was a stranger, and ye took me in." No matter who you're working with, you need to show them respect. I hope all of you realize every day that you use values of God in your jobs. Every job you have will promote these values. Accounting, I believe, promotes truth, honesty, self-control, and hospitality in a huge way. It is really important that you live every day trying your best to live by these values of God. These values are not just in everyday life, they are a big part of your occupation.